Hi, it's Beck here from Sunbury Local Businesses, and I'm here with Chris and Terry White, Chemmart here in Sunbury. How are you, Chris?
Good, thanks. How are you?
I'm good, thank you. Now I wanted to talk to you. The weather's getting colder, we're coming into flu season.
Yep.
Let's talk flu shots.
Yeah, so this year has actually started a little bit earlier than previous years for flu cases. We had some over summer, so it's very important that people start to think about vaccination. It's very easy, just come in. We can do it on the spot. There's someone here who can vaccinate through most of their business hours, so including the weekends.
Okay.
And it's a simple, like 5-minute process to fill out the checklist,
Yeah.
and then we can go and do the vaccination.
Perfect.
Hang around for 10-15 minutes afterwards, just
Yeah.
to make sure there's no reactions.
Yeah.
And then that's it.
Brilliant.
Covered for a year.
Perfect, that's even better. And then also whooping cough. There's a
Yep.
lot about that in the media at the moment.
Yes.
Run me through what you guys have available.
Yep. So we do the whooping cough vaccines here in the pharmacy as well, just like the flu shots. And anyone who's had a newborn in their circle can come in and have it. There are some rules around parents being covered where
Right.
they get the vaccine for free.
Right.
However, other family members probably don't qualify, but that's okay. We can still do it for you.
Okay. And are there any restrictions that people need to consider when they're coming in for their flu shots?
Not really. We will go through the do's and don'ts with it on the spot. So most people should have the vaccine.
Yeah. Alrighty. Well, hopefully everyone comes on down to see you guys and
hopefully.
has the jab.
Yes.
It's not that scary.
No, it's not scary at all.
Well, thanks so much for your time today,
No worries.
Chris.